Did you always wish of having a forest-facing apartment? This Istanbul gated luxury community offers you just that. Complete green views and a lifetime of peace. I am standing here in a 4+1 apartment in Wadi Istanbul, Sarıyer. This is the European side of Istanbul, and we are in a very premium project called Avrupa Konoklari. This is your living room. That's your entrance foyer. Look at the size. Then here you have the kitchen, again overlooking the forest. Then let me quickly show you the 4 bedrooms. That's your bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and this is your master bedroom with your ensuite, bedroom 4. And you have lots of luxury amenities within the complex, as you can see. Again, you have the complete forest facing apartments. You are part of a gated community. There is a university, there is a school, there is a creche, there is a horse riding school, there are offices. They have very big brand car showrooms here, Land Rover, Jaguar, Mercedes. This is a very high-end area. So if you are looking for something exclusive in Istanbul, within the city, this is one of the very good options. What you see here is exactly the horse riding school within the complex. If you like these kind of activities, this is a very good project for you. Not as big as the Mahalakshmi race course, but it's right within your complex. So, good evening folks. Today I have the pleasure of meeting the sales head of this beautiful project, Miss Anastasia, and I'm going to be asking her some basic questions you might have about this project. Hi, how are you, Anastasia?
I'm great, thank you so much.
So, tell us a little bit about the location of this project. Where is this project located in Istanbul?
Well, first of all, we are located in city center of European side, and to the airport, for example, the biggest airport in country, we have 25 minutes. To the other areas, touristic, for example, Taksim or fashion district, Nişantaşı, or financial center of the country, we have the distance from 5 within 15 minutes by car. Also, we have so easy access to the metro station. And in the same time, our district is new, just 15 years old, but we have in the same time here absolutely everything, from hospitals up to universities. So you can find a new building to move in. In the same time, you can obtain for citizenship, and you can maybe rent out your apartment. For example, 4+1 in our project brings $5,000 monthly rental income.
Got it. So tell me one thing now, for our international clients, like people from India, Pakistan or Saudi Arabia, if they shift in this complex, what are the kind of education options there for their kids? Like what kind of schools do you have over here?
Just in front of us we have 2 schools. One of them is private. And by the way, after finishing this school, they can apply for Europe for the high school, because this is senior and middle school. And also we have governmental. So we have options, and after that they can continue their education. Already in Wadi Istanbul area, we have over there Istiniya University.
Got it. So basically you are saying if my clients, they buy an apartment here and they're staying here, so the kids don't have to travel, they can just walk to the school.
Actually, yes, this is what I say.
I understand. And what kind of amenities do you have in this project?
Well,
the amenities for the residents.
It will take time, but I will start. We have 2 football fields, 2 tennis courts, volleyball, basketball field. We have 3 swimming pools. One of them is just specifically for women. Also, we have big gym, massage area, Pilates area, kickboxing area, even the horse riding club. And this is the only horse riding club in the city center.
And how many apartments do you have in this tower? Like this apartment which I just showed, this is a 4+1.
Yeah.
So what is the cost of this apartment approximately?
The cost for this apartment is around 1,400,000.
Okay.
But for sure we have another apartments lower floor, and the price will be a little bit better, and in the same time it will have the same forest view.
Okay.
Because it's totally same plan.
Okay. 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 Thank you so much for your
Thank you
time.
so much too. Have a great day.